the invention of the microscope. Imagine a world where the tiniest creatures remain invisible, where scientists can only guess at the mysteries hidden beyond the limits of the human eye. This was the reality before the late 16th century, until one invention changed everything: the microscope. It all began around 1590, when Dutch spectacle makers Zacharias Janssen and his father, Hans Janssen, experimented with lenses. They discovered that placing multiple lenses in a tube magnified objects beyond what the naked eye could see. This crude invention laid the foundation for microscopy. Fast forward to the 1670s, and another Dutch scientist, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, took microscopy to the next level. Using a single, high-powered lens, he became the first person to observe bacteria, blood cells, and tiny organisms in water, calling them animalcules. His discoveries revolutionized science, medicine, and our understanding of life. In 1830, Joseph Jackson Lister improved the microscope's design, reducing distortions and leading to the creation of the modern compound microscope. Later, in the 1930s, German scientists Max Knoll and Ernst Ruska developed the electron microscope, allowing scientists to see objects at the atomic level. Today, microscopes are more advanced than ever. Scientists use scanning electron microscopes, SEMs, and super-resolution microscopes to study viruses, DNA, and even the deepest structures of the universe. What started as a simple experiment with lenses has become a key tool in science, medicine, and technology. And to think, it all began with a simple curiosity about the invisible world.